Racers. Oh.
Me?
Oh! No! Oh, what is... And he spit off!
Bro, what?
Oh!
What are the
Yo.
chances?
Wait, pause it.
What are the chances of that?
Yo, he was eating him out, dog.
I mean, what do you think? What do you think? If that was me and I passed a dude like that and I caused him to spin out of control, I'm out that jam. I ain't staying. He got caught under the sun.
That's messed up, bro.
Wait, hold on, Eric.
Japanese prison break.
This nigga.
Fuck up, nigga.
I've seen this one.
Video still hasn't loaded, brother.
Oh god. Clap, nigga.
Oh!
Damn. Someone's like, what the fuck out of my way?
That black truck came in.
Hey George, we watching car crash videos. Join.
Join us, George.
Okay, join.
Yes, George, we need you in this too.
Oh, wow, that's loud.
Oh my god, what a fucking retard!
Crash.
I swear, I thought
Yo, you're the windows! You're the windows!
yeah, I thought he was in the...
Go back!
I thought he was gonna go up the side.
Why does Forrest sound like absolute garbage?
I don't know, help me.
Cause he's streaming it probably.
Alright, let's see. he got sandwiched!
He's still alive though.
He said your left thigh, right thigh, my face.
He just vibing though.
Not, the ones at night are
Bro,
better.
he's about to vibe check him. He got vibe check! Vibe check!
Oh,
Bro, who playing bowling with cans?
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow!
Oh my
Oh wow! Go back! Bro,
just-
it's on fire! It's on fire! Oh, they're calling out!
He just vibing though.
Go back.
Back! Oh, at the beginning of the clip. Alright. Watch.
I was looking at the wrong side of the street.
Dude,
Bro,
How
that's
does
like the
that
scene
happen?
from Cars. It's like the scene from Cars when the blue car freaking spins down the track.
when Doc
heroes,
is
man.
out, dude.
These people are heroes.
Oh no, not Doc, the blue. Oh yeah, in the last
Look at
racing.
him,
I
he's
forgot,
Rush there.
I forgot what his name was. I know I'm part of Dynaco.
Yeah, he was like, he's fucked in the Wutens. I don't know how to do it. Oh, you guys are fucked.
Vibe check.
He said, hey, tap me up.
Bro, Forrest, that was me on Friday, bro.
Wait, oh yeah, it's the skateboard.
On the skateboard. Look at his leg though.
I didn't see. Did he break an arm or some shit?
Yeah, still at the vibe check. Yo, it's just dangling. Look at it dangle.
Look at the Fortnite emote.
He's a stanky leg.
Bro, he's trying to shoot right now.
He's a stanky leg.
Doing the hype dance.
Hey, that's how Daniel shoots, bro.
Oh!
Alright, no turn signal. Straight is straight.
This is so much better
My
with all
nigga
the
dipped.
Yo, he
bro.
takes
He
off.
dipped. He dipped.
Yo, he's out. That jam. I mean, I would dip too because you hit a whole new thing. Yo, he
Bro, he fell off the bike and fell back into the bike. Oh, come on. Average driver.
What? Why is he so close?
No, bro, he's ramming him. Retard.
Oh shit! Yeah, you're right.
It's the last scene from Cars.
He's Muslim.
He's Muslim. I thought he was black. He looked black.
Too much RAM, not enough dodge.
And like I said, too much
Bro,
RAM.
he had a ram as well, Anthony.
Bruh, too much RAM, not enough dodge.
Oh, this dude's fucking dead.
Pull the brakes.
Why is he just doing that shit?
Bro, need for speed. Oh yeah, he's bounced. Oh yeah, And the other car got hit. It's a bunch of white trucks hitting each other, bro.
And wait, one more time. Boing.
Dude, he failed the vibe check.
Anthony, wait, what were you saying,
That's
Anthony?
such a good video. Oh my
Appreciate you,
god.
Pause it.
Yesterday,
Bro, he
because
just
breaks.
he
'Cause
vibe
kept
checked
going.
that
I saw,
rail.
like, he should.
Yeah, I know. You're not
He
supposed to hit
can't
the
brake,
brakes.
Andrew.
Wait,
Yeah.
come.
If he breaks, he'll
You
spin out.
hydroplane.
Bro, George don't even drive and he know this.
Alright.
It's just physics.
When you're slipping like that, you don't hit the brakes.
It's
just
just
You'll
science.
science.
spin out. You'll spin out or you'll flip over.
Oh yeah, you'll definitely flip over. Going that fast, you'll flip over. But dude said boing.
Amber alert. He's vibing though.
Oh no. Oh never mind. Doesn't involve that.
Nice. Bro, nigga
That's
breaks
last night.
too. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Oh!
Brake check.
You failed the brake check.
Alright, what's gonna happen? Oh, never mind. That was it. Bro, imagine one of them ladders falls off and hits you square in the face through the windshield.
Final Destination. Oh.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yo, that was too.
And we all thought he got away from that. He went to the right.
Yeah, I thought. Yeah, the
I was about
smart.
to say. I was
the
about to say
smart-
that was too close.
Yeah, no, the smart move should have been to go towards the grass.
No, there's a ditch on the other side. There's a ditch. There's a ditch.
Someone's gonna hit the cop. Someone's gonna hit the cop.
When niggas don't follow the law and freaking drive in front of the cop. Look at this idiot! Freaking retard!
I told you he hit the cop.
Yeah! Of course he's
What
gonna
just
hit the cop.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Holy
Holy
shit.
shit.
Trick.
Ah! He zoomed in on it!
Vibe check.
Vibing. Right, it's chill, he just vibing though.
Yeah, well, that's what I'll tell you.
What'd he say? Oh,
Oh, it's a Mercedes. Oh, that nigga fucked.
Really?
oh, bro, he mad.
Bro.
Look behind
Ka
us.
ka ka.
Seriously, look behind us.
Bro, why you
Hey.
listening to GTA music?
That GTA radio.
But why they in GTA 4 right now?
Oh,
Get the fuck out of my way.
Yeah, Andrew, see him right.
No, I
Move,
didn't.
bitch. Get out the
Wait,
way.
this is an empty parking lot. What could be the issue?
Bro, this is where Anthony and his girl meet up.
No, I didn't.
Knock out.
No.
No, I
Me and
didn't.
Andrew's mom.
Oh!
Yo, minivan come out the car.
Oh!
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh damn.
What the fuck is wrong with you? You come up on my fucking right side like I wasn't even there.
Eh.
So I got you on the dash cam. Fuck you, stupid cunt.
Bro, I'd ram her after that.
He said, "Fuck you, stupid cunt."
Oh, he back.
No!
Ew, what is that? What's that sound?
No,
watching
what is he
porn,
doing?
watching porn, blowing out my
My man fell asleep.
Bro, he said, "Fuck."
Go back.
And music goes back. Oh, that's such a good one.
And I already got the team who helped me.
He's gonna get hit. Damn!
No, I think there was a passenger. No, I don't see any. Alright, I'm out. Oh!
Shit, I got somewhere to.
feel like he's gonna get real. Oh damn. Dude,
Damn! Bro, that's
his
higher
wheel,
than that.
his wheel did a 90-degree turn.
Oh, God.
Oh, that's a dude on a
See?
bike.
Where's the guy? Where's
That's
the
what
guy?
I'm saying.
God,
Where's the guy?
Oh, God.
Ooh,
See?
he's dead.
Where's the guy?
He slipped on. Oh,
Where's the
He's
guy?
dead.
God, I don't know.
Call 911. There he is.
Oh, there he
lying
is.
Nigga just sleeping.
yeah.
He's doing the jaw.
Hey, Charger.
Of course it's a fucking charger.
Shut up, retard.
No.
Wi-Fi off.
What the hell? Dude has text to speech. What is this semi doing?
What the fuck?
Is this semi retarded?
No.
You gonna move?
Are you serious? Dude, this semi is literally retarded.
Nigga hasn't had 3
He
days.
has something
What
behind.
is going on? What is he? He's got hydraulics. Dude, he's gonna hit him.
Bro, you ain't got the Batmobile.
No,
Just hit that.
no. Okay. Okay,
What
I
the
guess
fuck
nothing
happened?
I don't know.
Just back
This
up.
nigga.
Ooh. What was the point of doing that? We just went right back.
He just went back into the lane he
He
was.
said, "Alright, I'm gonna head out."
They're so retarded.
No.
There's no way you're gonna get out.
Why is he all sweaty?
Nigga, why are you?
This man's got socks in.
Hey!
Okay. Alright, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh my god, dude.
This man had socks in him. About to head out.
Oh, he gone.
Yo, he
gone.
disappeared.
Oh, he right there. Never mind. You see that piece on the left?
Yeah, no. Just rolling on board.
What about
Okay, I
those
gotta go
two
get the
cars on the
McDonald's.
left?
I gotta go get the McDonald's and bear back.
Oh,
Yo, what the army
An
car
army
just comes out of
5
nowhere?
stars? 5 stars?
Dude just pulls out the Gatling gun. Alright, who the fuck did it?
Oh,
Oh.
2 for 1. Well,
Hey, I'll be right back. I gotta get the McDonald's.
alright.
Oh my god, that's a 2-for-1 deal. Oh my god, easy.
Oh shit, dude. Oh my god.
Dude, isn't. Oh my god.
That's so fucked.
The entire left side of us was gone.
Oh.
Oh god.
Yeah, you gotta go back on that one. You gotta go back.
Was it the USB or USPS? Or UPS?
What?
Not USPS.
This is.
The UPS in the car? No.
Oh, it was like
No.
a 2-piece truck. Does that make sense? 2-piece truck.
No, it's just the truck.
You're gonna have
Forrest.
something in the back.
The carrier truck.
I bet you were expecting me to. raise my
Oh. Oh.
Hello? I can't fucking hear you, dude. You gotta get closer to your mic.
This is from 2017.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What happened to Anthony?
Bro, he went to
Going
go get
McDonald's.
McDonald's, yeah.
What? What?
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't fucking see it.
You heard the guy?
No, what'd he say?
Just replay it.
Hey,
Play that video. Yo, Forrest, play that video in the Discord real quick. You know, yeah, just run that by me one more. Yes.
I am hopping on chaotic since you said that.
Chaotic, that's what it is.
Oh! No! Oh, he took it!
We didn't get to see it. We didn't get to see it. Go back.
He took that shit down!
Wow. Hey, my paw now.
He took that shit down with him, bro. Oh my-
He's a my leg.
My leg.
Oh, damn. That one sounded meaty.
Oh.
That one had some beef.